Imagine a world devastated by nuclear war. What would it look like? What would be the aftermath? Let's delve into this unimaginable threat, this concept of global annihilation through nuclear warfare. The potential impacts on our world are staggering, and the science behind it even more so. It's a dance of physics and chemistry, a deadly ballet of nuclear reactions that unleash devastating energy. The power behind the devastation of a nuclear war lies in the science of nuclear reactions. Nuclear reactions, the heart of a nuclear war, are not as complex as they might seem. Imagine holding a piece of fruit, let's say an apple. Picture slicing it in half or pressing two halves together. This is akin to the basic principles at play in nuclear reactions, specifically in the processes of fission and fusion. Fission is like slicing the apple, splitting a heavy nucleus into two or more lighter ones, while fusion is akin to pressing two halves together, combining light nuclei to form a heavier one. Both these processes release an immense amount of energy, akin to the juice that flows out when you slice or squeeze the apple. However, the energy released in nuclear reactions is millions of times greater. This energy, unleashed in the blink of an eye, is what makes nuclear weapons so devastatingly powerful. So this immense energy release, harnessed in a destructive way, becomes the driving force behind a nuclear war. The aftermath of a nuclear war would be far more than just immediate devastation. It would cast a long shadow over the Earth, transforming landscapes and ecosystems for countless generations. Picture a nuclear winter, a chilling scenario where the sun's warmth is blocked by a thick, smoky haze. The resulting cold and darkness could devastate crop yields, leading to worldwide famine. But it doesn't stop there. The invisible enemy, radiation, would permeate the environment. Wildlife would bear the brunt of this insidious threat, with mutations and population declines rippling through the food chain. And what about climate change? The vast amounts of energy released in a nuclear war could trigger significant shifts in our planet's climate patterns, potentially causing extreme weather events and sea level rise. The impacts of a nuclear war, powered by the immense energy of nuclear reactions, would reshape our planet in ways that are hard to imagine. The science behind nuclear war is both fascinating and terrifying. We've journeyed through the intricacies of nuclear reactions and looked into the abyss of potential impacts: nuclear winter, radiation effects on wildlife, long-term climate changes. It's a stark reminder of the power we wield and the devastation we could unleash. Understanding the science and potential impacts of nuclear war underscores the importance of peace and diplomacy in our world. After all, the best way to survive a nuclear war is to prevent it from happening in the first place.